for all that fuss for nothing. But there you go. The whole site in one shot. Hensoldt, who manufacture radar systems for the MOD. Oh, look what we've got now. We have police. And it does look like they're heading in our direction.
Here we go. The cavalry arrives, not to stop a crime, not to protect the public, but simply because a private company didn't like being filmed. The flashing blue lights aren't about safety here. They're about control. And that should concern every single person watching, because when authority shows up to defend feelings instead of the law, everyone's rights are at risk.
Turn right, guys, turn right. What's he doing? There's the police.
Which one is this?
Who's called the police?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think, no, I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Casella.
Yeah. I think it's not allowed.
Why not?
So, I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not completely agree. They're calling saying that you're flying their drone around their site, etc. That's why they called us here. So how much longer are you going to be here for, possibly?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. What are your reasons for filming their site?
For YouTube.
For YouTube, okay. And have you got an FCA license?
Oh, what?
FCA license.
It don't exist.
You don't exist?
No.
And
FCA?
yeah, those operating licenses.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, yeah. Have you got one on you?
CAA.
My bad, sorry.
At this point, the officer tries to show off legal authority, but stumbles on the fundamentals. Confusing the FCA isn't just a small mistake. It highlights a poor grasp of the very rules they're supposed to uphold. If they can't even name the right regulatory body, they really shouldn't be making threats of action.
Have you got that on you at the moment?
It's on top of the drone.
It's on top of the drone.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay, that's fine, sure. You can show me on top of the drone.
Just give us a moment, please.
Oh, there. I'm not here to cause you grief. Oh, there it is, yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you. There, on top.
I won't get too close to it. Okay. All right, cool.
Yeah?
All right, give me a minute.
This is an MID site. As you know, there are rules for operating target net. Was thinking something definitely insect turning there as well. I said, we're a defence company. We've got to come and protect our property, etc. Yeah. He posts that onto YouTube. That's an order. Yeah, exactly. And understandably so. Well, as I said, we are a defence contractor. Yeah.
I think it's criminal justice, possibly. No, I understand. They're a man.
Yeah. Money was part of us to know. Can't do it us, then decide to do what we want to do.
Sorry, you just kept that.
We tried to have a civil conversation in there.
And I was having a civil conversation.
And I tried to establish where your boundary ends so that I remove myself from his private property.
I did explain to you the other side of that fence line. You said,
which is incorrect. Hold on. Which is incorrect because I spoke to these guys here and they have got no objections to me standing on the... This is a shared business park.
But the Ministry of Defence own the land.
No, they don't.
That building, they're a defence contractor.
At the end of the day, it's the Ministry of Defence. There are specific legislations regarding drone operation.
Quote it.
For defence side.
There ain't.
Pay attention to the wording. He thinks it's under the Criminal Justice and Courts Act, but is not sure. That's just guessing. When an officer starts guessing laws to justify stopping you, it's a serious warning sign. Your rights don't disappear just because someone believes there could be a rule.
I believe it's the Criminal Justice and Talks Act, but I can't be entirely sure. I will find it. That's no problem. But it is it's a defence property.
No, it's not.
So you can't do that.
Do you know this company here? You can clearly see that they're moving some sort of
Yeah,
pallet.
they might
That's
not
nothing
own
to
the
do with
foil.
this. This building here says Scoop Professional. So you want to film that? That's fine. I did ask.
I don't
you not
need your
to film
permission
this,
of whatever I need to
I'm
film.
not gonna
It's my
argue with
YouTube
this,
channel. Let me just talk to the lady.
I'll leave it with you then. If you want to come and see us, come see us. Okay.
It's a civil matter, and if he wants to take civil proceedings against a person on his land,
No, but when you film certain premises, like a defence premises or a prison or anything like that, then it becomes criminal.
they only have an MOD contract. It's not an MOD facility, so it's not what you're
No, but
classing
it
as a
would then be
prohibited
considered
place.
Yeah, but it
Do you want me
would
to help you out?
MOD.
Do you want me to
Please
help you
don't
out?
talk to me like that, sir.
I can, because
I don't appreciate that.
there's a
Don't
new
talk to me like I'm an idiot.
there's a new piece of legislation.
And here comes the ego. Rather than calmly pointing to an actual law, the officer takes it personally. Don't talk to me like I'm stupid. That's the moment you realize this isn't about safety anymore. It's about pride. And pride has no place when it comes to protecting public rights.
Right.
In fact, I won't help you out. I won't help you out because of your response just then. If you know of any legislation, any laws that I'm breaking,
I'm
go
pretty
ahead.
sure it's under the Criminal Justice and Talks Act. It's the same.
Well,
it's the
there's me
same as
wrists.
to whether.
If you think I'm breaking the law,
Well, no,
You've got the power.
I'd rather you just didn't film that.
Look,
It doesn't make sense.
I'm
does
filming
it?
the company right now.
Yeah, but they're being told they don't want. They're saying that even the signage, and if it's being uploaded anywhere, that's a breach.
And you actually think there's some merit in what that statement? If you film our sign because our company have an MOD contract, you really think there's some legislation that will back that up?
So,
There's not.
so I get what you're doing here, and I've heard what you said. It's fine. Would you be happy to provide me your details?
Which power would you use to obtain?
I'm asking you, sir.
Not at this point, but if you want to use any of your powers to obtain those details, then I'll comply.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
It's probably regarding this as well. So I mean, it's up to you. Unless you want to come down after you've done this, can you?
Landing.
Can you just come this next month?
Am I free to go, guys?
You got to leave, sir. Of course you are.
I'm free to go, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm free to upload this to YouTube as I'm.
Game over. After all the threats, legal bluffing, and arguments over authority, the police finally admit they can't do anything. This is exactly why understanding your rights is crucial. Without that knowledge, the outcome could have been completely different.
My intention was
Sorry again, sir.
no objections to it being uploaded to YouTube.
Sir, if you want to, I can't stop you from doing
Okay.
whatever you want to do.
Thank you very
All right,
much.
take it easy, sir.
1165. Pleasure to meet you, my friend.
Take care.
I'm just going to upload it to YouTube now. Thank you. So there we go, look. Arrived on Blues and Twos. Although they didn't know where they were going, they got here in the end. And she's trying to say it's criminal justice or something. Where's the justice in restricting somebody's lawful activity, eh? I don't know. Yeah, I like to film industrial estates and put them onto YouTube.
Okay.
This company here, because they do something for the MOD, some radars or something.
Yeah, Kelvin Hughes.
Kelvin Hughes. Yeah, that's the old sign. Look, it's got a new name now.
Yeah.
Hensoldt.
Yeah, before Kelvin Hughes.
Yeah,
Yeah, big name there.
they're quite protective of what they do. So they didn't want me to make a video about them and put it on YouTube.
Okay.
But that's what I do. I go around industrial estates and make little videos. Are they always a bit funny?
He's rude guy. He's always rude with us also.
Are you allowed to park all down here?
No.
That's your vehicle, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you're not allowed to park here?
This is his parking. When he's
This whole interaction perfectly shows how quickly concern can turn into control the moment cameras appear. From the instant security made the call, the real goal wasn't safety. It was stopping the recording. The officers showed up ready to enforce rules, but without any solid legal footing. We saw confusion about drone licenses, vague mentions of laws, and repeated efforts to paint this as a criminal case when it was clearly a civil matter, the auditor's calm and confident stance completely changed the dynamic. By standing firm, correcting false claims, and staying within the law, he left the officers with no choice but to walk away. For viewers, this is more than just a single audit win. It's proof that public rights are only as strong as our willingness to defend them. If you stay calm, know your right, and refuse to be pressured, you shift the power back where it belongs, with the people. If you believe in accountability, share this video. And if you want to see exactly how to stand your ground when the law is on your side, click the video on screen now. It's a must-watch.